right, boys and girls, we made our freckle juice, so I think Mrs. Wonderlick and I want to take a sip. We need freckles. But guess what? There is someone else that asked us, begged us for some freckle juice. And here she is.
Okay, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to have freckles. Well, I think I have some freckles, but I need more freckles. So should I just taste some of this? If I drink this, then I'll be able to get freckles? All right, they tell me. That's what your teachers tell me. Oh, under my nose. That's delicious. Sort of. But, oh, Miss Wonderlick, you're going to have some? Oh, I better take this away so you don't think that's for me. Okay.
Okay. I'm so scared. I don't know what to think. Oh my goodness, it smells awful. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You try it, little bitch.
Okay.
My turn. Oh wow, wonder what's gonna happen. Ooh, there's the seed. Oh, sister. Oh my gosh. Whoopee, come and look.
Hey, can you even see? I don't know. I don't think you can tell. I should get closer. Look what happened. Freckles. Yay. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, wait. Miss Wonderlick, just wait till you see. Miss Wonderlick, look at you.
You can't see me.
You have freckles.
No.
All over.
I didn't want freckles that much. Oh, brother, I sure do. Yikes, it worked. That Sharon knew what she was talking about, I guess. Wonder how Mrs. Oh, brother.
Yes, yes.
Do I have freckles? Oh, my goodness. Let's see. Oh, I got some freckles, too. Well, first grade, now you know. It works. It works. Have a great day. Bye.